Hello students, welcome to the fourth part of this video. In this video, we will be understanding what are the logical operation in the Python programming. So let's begin with the video. We will be starting the IDLE. So I will search in the search bar IDLE. As I had informed you, this screen is called shell screen. So I will move my shell screen towards the left side and I will open up a new file which will be my editor at the right side, where I will write on the whole code. Okay, so if you remember this symbol is used for giving the comment. So this is a hash symbol, and here I will be writing on logical operation. Logical operators. Logical operators. Okay, starting with the program. Print program on logical operators. Okay, so here we'll be seeing three operators. One would be AND operator, second would be OR operator, and third would be the NOT operator. So before starting with the program, I need to declare a variable. So I will be declaring a variable A and give a value 10, assign a value 10, and B, assign a value 5. Now using the print statement, I will check out the logical operators also, as we have done in the previous session. In that video we have seen the relational operators. Same way we will be checking out the logical operators. So I will write print, and I will use the operator which is greater than sign of the relational operator. A is greater than B, and I want to combine it. So I need an AND operator, and I will say A is greater than 20. So here there is a condition where we are checking out the variable A. Is A greater than B? So it is yes, A is greater than B. And so there is an logical operator AND. So there's two condition here. The second condition is A is greater than 20. So here we will be checking A is greater than 20. So if both the condition are true, then only our output would be coming true, or else we will be getting a false. Okay, so here you can see A value is 10. The first condition is satisfying, that A is greater than B. So A is greater than 5, true. And the second one is A is greater than 20, which is 10 is greater than 20, so which is false. So in this condition it will come false. Then print, I will take the same condition, A is greater than B, or A is greater than 20. So now in the OR operator, what exactly we do? It will check out any of the condition, either the first condition or the second condition should satisfy, then only the output will come true. Okay, so there would be two states. One would be A is greater than B would be true, or A is greater than 20, it would be true. But in this scenario we can clearly see A is greater than B, which is A is 10 and B is 5. So the first condition is coming true, and second condition, which is A is greater than 20, is coming false, but our output will be coming true. Okay, next is print NOT. A is greater than 20. So this basically checks the condition and convert it into the opposite thing. So I will save the program, file, save as, desktop, Python 6 program .py. So the file name is 6 program.py, and then I will run it. So here you can see in the first statement it is coming false. The first condition is coming false, as I said, and the second condition is coming true. It's not dependent upon both the condition. It depends only any one condition should be true. Either condition A is greater than B or condition A is greater than 20. Either one would be true, so the output will come true. And this condition is false, still we are saying not. So this is showing me the opposite. So this is true. Okay, so this is the logical operators which are available in Python. So okay, hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.